Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Right soil is essential component of container gardening. It is specially formulated with right balance of nutrient essential for plant growth, ensuring that container plants receive necessary elements to thrive. In this video, I am going to share my recipe of potting mix. First, allow the soil to sun dry for 1 to 2 days. It is an effective method to reduce pest and fungus, remove stones, plastics, and dead plants. Good soil contains three components. First one is aeration so that the roots can breathe and take oxygen. Here I am using perlite. Perlite improves the texture of heavy slate and clay soil by increasing aeration and drainage. We can use sand instead of perlite as both have the tendency to prevent waterlogging. But as I am a balcony gardener, so I have to think about the weight of the pot. So here I am using perlite as it is lighter compared to sand. The second one is nutrients. Compost build healthier soil and improve plant growth in your garden. You can use cow dung compost or vermicompost, but make sure that the cow dung compost is completely decomposed. Otherwise, we can see some fungus problem in our soil. Here, I am using vermicompost. This is Neem khali. This is also a natural organic fertilizer and one of the best pest repellent which made from seeds of neem tree. It protects the plants from root-borne and many pests like dimok or termites, ants and other type of insects that harm our plants. Here I have added 1 spoon of fungicide powder which can be used to control fungus that damage our plants. The third component is water retention, so the plant does not dry out. As I live in an area where the soil retains moisture for a long time, so I'm gonna skip coco peat. But you have sandy soils, then you can add 20% of coco peat. Mix all the components properly, and now our soil is ready for plantation.